Hi everybody, welcome to another craft at the Sumner Public Library. My name is Chris and today I'll be showing you how to do a decorative vintage paper wreath. What we're going to be using for our wreath is some sheet music, crepe paper, old Christmas card, and some cardboard. So we'll get started here and we'll show you how to make your vintage wreath. In your kit, as I said, you'll have cardboard, sheet music. You will have a little dowel we provided to help you press your papers onto your cardboard, and some ribbon to hang it up with. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put the ribbon through the cardboard, and I am just going to knot it to make our hanger. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, but you can do it however you wish. So we've got that, and then I'm going to show you how to make your paper cones that you're going to use for your wreath. I found for me the easiest way is to put the paper in front of me, short side towards me, and then I take the bottom left corner, it'd be your bottom left corner, and I twist it into a roll. So I'm actually turning my hand, grabbing it, and twisting it. It makes a nice little point right here. And then I just continue with that to roll it to make the cone. So I'll show you that once again. I have it in front of me flat, short side towards me. Kind of turn your hand because you're going to be rolling it back. You make a sharp point here, and then use your other hand to continue to roll it. You want to try to get your cones as even as you can. It's not possible to make them all exactly the same, but you want them pretty close in size. Now you can hot glue here to secure your cone, but we found the easiest thing to do is use masking tape or scotch tape, something like that. So now you've got your cone. You should have 15 to 20 pieces of sheet music in your kit, and you'll want to go ahead and roll all those before you get started. Then in the center of your cardboard circle, you want to mark another smaller circle at the center just to help guide you as you're gluing them on. I found that the easiest way for me to do this is to kind of start at the compass points and fill in. You do whatever works best for you. When you glue your cone onto your cardboard, you kind of want your point at the back. So go ahead and place your glue kind of centered with that, about the length of your cardboard. And you don't want to put the tip all the way into the circle because you will get too much packed in there and it'll be harder to make it lay right. As you can see, I'm using this to just kind of press all the way to that tip to secure that onto the cardboard. So I'm going to continue doing that. I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, as you can see, I ended up not using all of the cones that I made, and that is fine. I've got a little bit of an overlap here in the center, but that is fine as well because that is what we're going to use the Christmas card and the crepe paper for. So let me just make sure these are all secure. So as I said, there's a little bit of overlap in the center, but that's fine. We're going to cut our Christmas card and we're going to make that the center of our wreath. So I'm just going to cut that in a circle. So, and to dress it up a little bit, I'm just going to use some of this crepe paper here. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to tack it on with glue, and I will continue to tack it and make little ruffles. So first, a little bit of glue, and set that on. Where my next spot will overlap, which actually would be about the edge of the card. And I'm just going to keep working my way around, taking a little ruffle on the back of my center card here. Almost done with the ruffle here. You put a little glue on the card, tack on your crepe paper, put a little glue on the crepe paper, tack on the fold, and then just continue on. Almost done here. And trim off any excess you might have. So we've created kind of a little medallion to go around the card. And now I need to find my center where it will hang, and then that way I can glue my medallion on the correct way. So I think that looks good. Go ahead and put plenty of hot glue on here, and that way it'll kind of drip down in between the cones and make sure it's good and secure. There we go. I'm going to gently press that. Like I said, let that glue kind of run down. Obviously, this is not an outside wreath, but it still would look beautiful on an interior door or wall, and you could decorate it however you wish. You could add glitter, anything like that. So thanks for joining me for our vintage paper wreath.